you going so fast tonight? Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little...
Hey guys, so what I'm doing right here is I've just separated my hair because this is a closure and I'm going for a middle part. So as you can see, the closure has so much hair, it's very full. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my wrapping mousse by Cream of Nature just to lay the front or the closure down so that I can define my pattern a little bit more. Next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my powder just to define my padding. You can actually go ahead and use a tweezer and tweeze the hair, but I just don't have time for that. This is like a temporary fix.
Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
So something like this. As you can see, my padding is a little bit more visible. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got2b glue gel just to lay down my closure. The next thing that I'll do is I'll grab my Got2b glued hairspray and just spray where I applied the gel. Gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer just to make the gel or glue tacky. Okay,
don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing.
okay, so when you feel like the gel is nice and tacky, you can go ahead and lay down your frontal. Yeah, so when you allow the gel to get tacky, you won't really need to do much. Like as you can see, the frontal is not moving anywhere, but if it is not tacky, you have a problem where the frontal keep, you know, trying to pull backwards or moving somewhere. So you just need to be careful when you're doing this. The next step that I'm going to do, you guys, is I am going to start flat ironing this unit. And where's my charm? I'm just gonna use a little bit of my hair serum by John Frieda.
You got one life to live, don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside?
So right now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to define my padding a little bit more. It is easier if you use like a curling wand, but I'm just too lazy to get one.
You've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh.
So you can see how straight this side is looking. Absolutely gorgeous. Like seriously, this is amazing. And then I'll go ahead and use my L'Oreal hairspray just to lay the hair down here. So this is what the hair is currently looking like. This is amazing hair, you guys. The hair quality is just amazing, and it is so full. I used the whole 4 bundles, but you can actually see how thick and full this unit is. I absolutely like this hair. Just gonna try and lay down some hair right here because I don't like the straight like kind of look. Doesn't look that real to me. Just using a little bit of mousse because I feel like I want my hair to be flat at the top, like super flat. So this is just gonna help me do exactly that.
My gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. She be money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants water. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me heaven. Yeah, not so me say. She wants to wander. Want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane.
So this is the finished look, you guys. I am so in love with this hair, like seriously, it is just amazing. I love the hair quality. The texture is so beautiful. It is a very thick, like thick hair, like seriously, for the length that I went for, you would expect the hair to get a little bit like thinner as it goes towards like the tips, but it is absolutely thick and just beautiful. I'm so surprised because I've never actually worked with this hair company before, so I was so excited to try their straight hair to see how it looks, and it is just amazing. It is very silky and very soft. Like I didn't even do much to the hair, you guys. Like you saw, I only did like 1 heat pass on to the hair. It does take the heat so well. So far so good, you guys. I have nothing to say much about this hair. Absolutely love it. Love the texture, love the closure. It is just beautiful and amazing. I love the thickness and the fullness of the hair. So I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below, you guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.